The world's first International Yoga Day beckons on the 21st of June. And as the person who first came up with the idea to celebrate it, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been inspiring people to participate in it in large numbers. He's been sharing videos about different asanas on social media on a daily basis. Meanwhile, a book underlining the secular nature of yoga was released by Ayush Minister Shripad Yesso Naik. The book, Yoga and Islam, has been published by the Muslim Rashtriya Manch. The minister appealed to all on the occasion to take part in the International Yoga Day celebrations.
योग किसी जमात का या जात का, किसी धर्म का कुछ ये नहीं है और ये खाली इंसान को एक स्वस्थ इंसान बनाने का ये योग कार्य करता है। योग सबको जुड़ाने का कार्य करता है, जाति हो, समाज हो और परमेश्वर को भी जुड़ाने का काम योग करता है। और इसलिए योग किसी की कुछ बकौती नहीं है, तो हम सब ने करना है। योग के जरिए हम अपना जो कुछ अच्छापन है, जो कुछ अपना भला है, वो हम आगे ले जा सकते हैं।
Several government and non-governmental agencies are marking the first World Yoga Day in large numbers, but the armed forces seem to be leading the charge on this front. Be it the world's highest battlefield Siachen or on board warships in deep seas, several yoga sessions are being organized by the forces. All naval warships, even the ones deployed in the Pacific Ocean or the South China Sea regions, are witnessing daily half-hour yoga drills apart from usual physical training. These are some of the pictures that have come in from warships like INS Komota, Satpura, Shakti and Ranveer, where sailors can be seen practicing yoga. Army men will also be doing yoga on the 21st of June from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Nearly 500 troops will be performing a range of asanas at the height of 12,000 feet at the Siachen base camp. India will be leading 191 nations across the world on International Yoga Day, and the largest event will unfold at Rajpath in New Delhi, where armed forces, NCC cadets and government employees will perform yoga. Nearly 40,000 people, including Prime Minister Modi and top cabinet ministers, are expected to take part in this event. Security agencies have launched a special operation for foolproof security at the Rajpath event. Trained sniffer dogs have been deployed to sanitize the entire area in the heart of the national capital. The operation is being spearheaded by the elite K9 squad of Parliamentary Force ITBP. It has been codenamed Doga by combining the words dog and yoga. Clearly, nothing is being left to chance to ensure that the first International Yoga Day is a resounding success in the land where the holistic practice originated. It's the people who need to pitch in and make it happen. DD News.